How to redeem Marvel Future Fight codes. Are you playing Marvel Future Fight and want to claim free rewards like crystals, energies, or character shards using redeem codes? If yes, then watch the video till the end. Welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are gonna learn how to redeem Marvel Future Fight codes, so let's get started right away. First of all, open your Marvel Future Fight application on your device. And once you're inside the home screen, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this settings menu where you need to click on the info option from the top and click on coupon. Right after you select coupon, on the next page, enter your coupon code in the text box. Make sure to enter the coupon number or event code exactly as it appears. Make sure to type it down correctly, and once you are done with it, click on Use. If your code is correct, you'll be able to redeem your code right away. Rewards are usually sent to your in-game mail or inbox. Open your mailbox and claim the rewards to add them to your account. So that is how you can easily redeem Marvel Future Fight codes and grab free rewards whenever they are released. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.